Hey, it's Jack from Jack Off-Road. I'm just doing what every 40-year-old guy does on a Sunday afternoon. I'm sitting in my garage, in my rock crawler, and drinking a beer and watching off-road videos. So, what's you're about to do is watch a video I took while at Good Evening Ranch this past weekend for Jeep Fest. And I took the LJ. It was the first time I had the LJ off-road. To test out the Skyjacker 80X shocks and the dual rate coils. They did great. Very happy with it. Lowered the Jeep about an inch and a quarter. Still settling, I think. And stability is great. But I'm noticing I am hitting some stuff more. Definitely need a better gas tank skid. The stock one's pushed up, and the tank's probably up into the bottom of the tub. So, gotta address that this winter. So, other than that, hang out and enjoy the show. I'm gonna finish this beer. Rained. Chalac is a river. There's no one else out here. There's no one on Cripple Creek, and I didn't see very many tracks coming down here. I might be by myself. That's not always a good thing. So, when I was here in the Explorer, this first little thingy was a pain in the butt. I went the way I normally went, but it was definitely down the easier way. The other side's a big rut, big undercut, which you always have. It's worse. Hey, I love this trail. It's so great. It changes every time you're on it as rocks move around. Water comes down. Anyone's up here at this new obstacle. I haven't tried it in this. It might be hard. The new exit to the first half or first third. Let's see. I might put tires on it. If anything, I can back up here. Oh, pause. We're back. Oh. Ledge, double ledge, triple ledge. It's ledgy. It's ledgy. Thought I was gonna slide down into that. I usually do up here. So let's see. pressure grabbing good. Them Coopers. Alright, let's turn the phone camera on too. See if we can beat this. If not, I'll have to back down. Oh, we can make it out there. I think I'm lined up good. I think. Let's see. Hang on, my window down. I see stuff. I should have put the other doors on. I don't know why I'm not hooking in there. Alright, we'll back down. I'm going to try one more time. We're going to try far left. Far left. We're going up here and we're going to try far left.
let's say we're denied. Oh well.
How's it work? Well, we'll talk to people later. If you're wondering if I ever made it up that exit, just keep watching, because I eventually got enough talent juice in me to where I walked right up it. Might help because there's people around. Hey, Ryan. But yeah, it's not bad. Everyone says it got ruined, but I think it's fun. Just have to pick the right line and keep some momentum. You're a dinosaur. Second half of the top half of Cadillac. There's a couple spots back there where you come in from the middle that ate up pretty bad. Charlie took his corner of his Jeep out a couple weeks ago. This part's still doable, I think. Find out. That rut looks pretty bad. Let's see. If I rev a little bit. Oh. Nah. The Skyjacker coils. Working. Working. Go, LJ on 35s, 2.5-inch lift. Skyjacker, ADX shocks, dual rate springs, working. Now we're here at Leo's den. I've ran this in the LJ before, but there's people. I had spotters, and there's neither of those here right now. So we'll get up here and look at it. Rear is going to catch that. I feel. There used to be a big tree-like limb, I think, right here. I think it's gone now. But there's a big drop in the front too. It's going to put me into the rock, maybe.
I think I'm narrow enough to get between stuff. Oh, there's the tree. All right, I'm around it. Never end it till we're out, because who knows what could happen. All right, I think we're good. All right, that was the pinch at Leo's did. How about that? It's pretty fun.